natin kung ano man yung iisip nila sa atin. Yeah.
Yes, tama naman, di ba? Kasi ang magnanakaw ay kakambal yan. Ang sinungaling ay kakambal sa magnanakaw. Tama ka naman, contestant number 2. But then again, I will ask you about your motto in life. If others can do, why can I? Paano mo yung explain sa amin?
Siguro, kung ano kaya ng iba, kakayanin ko rin. At kung meron yung silang talent, at saka meron silang talino, meron din ako, kaya kakayanin ko rin yung kakayanin nila.
Correct, correct. Very well said. Contestant number 2, Mr. Adrian Gonzalez. Our interview, our preliminary interview, of course, 10% lang yan po sa ating criteria. So, mas malaking pintos po sa iba. And of course, may back to zero tayo kasi we will pick, of course, our top 3. At magagaling na po yung ating tanong sa ating board of judges. For the meantime, I'd like to call him on stage. Contestant number 3, Mr. Kian Cruz. Alright, Kian, you are a resident of Molo, Ilo City, right? I'm so impressed about your motto in life. For me, it's ironic, but I know you can support, you can explain to us why this is your motto. So his motto in life is, the time you wasted is not a wasted time. Paano mo yun explain sa amin?
Because for me, by the time I wasted, I find my true happiness. And that's why I pursue my happiness. Life goes on.
Wow. Okay. Again, parang hindi ko narinig. Okay, again. Muna po naman sa judges. Okay, ulit.
The time I wasted is not a wasted time. Because for me, for the time I wasted, I find my true happiness. Life goes on.
Okay, life goes on. Tama naman. Okay, thank you so much. Contestant number 3. Kasi pag nagkamaling tayo, wasted time na yun kasi. Siyempre naman, experience is the best teacher. So kaya hindi yan wasted time because doon tayo naka-learn ng ating lesson sa ating pagkakamali. Right! Thank you so much. Thank you so much kami. Nag-agree ka sa akin. And this time, of course, dalawa po yung taga-St. Therese na natin tanong ngayon sa Bikini Open. Tawagin natin our fourth contestant, no other than be on stage, of course, AJ Gozong. Ayan si AJ. AJ is a Bachelor of Science in Marine Transportation. AJ, kasi ano po ito yung pinakamatangkad sa kanila, di ba? So ano pa ba? What do you think is your edge among the contestants? Aside from being tall? Physical appearance. Oh, physical appearance. Do you agree with that, audience? Oh, physical, graphic ka. Oh naman. But the beauty is in the eye of the beholder yan. Okay. Sige. So, yung motto mo dito is, first time is always the first time. How do you explain that?